Monoprice Mini Delta 3D Printer Review. The Monoprice MP Mini Delta is a versatile 3D printer that comes at a low rate. Yes, a sturdy shining 3D printer indeed competes in the market from the entry level. This printer is a successful example of the Monoprice company. It doesn't matter what's the rate, but what everyone wants to know is the quality. Talking about the MP Mini Delta 3D printer came out with all the 4 qualities that a 3D printer should have. Built-in calibration system. This printer is fully assembled and durable for auto-calibration with its open-source function. It gives you professional quality prints. You will find all the top-class functions and performance that you see in an expensive 3D printer. And the exciting part is that this works as a sturdy machine, not as a useless toy. Outer structure. The body of this 3D printer is a combination of a steel and black anodized aluminum frame. The open-source function in this printer helps you use the Cura that enables your printer to print over custom mode. Durable and time-friendly printer. If you want a fast 3D printer, then the Monoprice Mini Delta printer is the one. The machine is smoother and reliable to use. The outer cover of this machine is manufactured with a metal case. Now, you can get an auto-level 3D printer at a low price. Connecting ways. It is connected to the power through a USB cable. You will also get an SD card where all the 3D designs are available. The connectivity of the printer is done through Wi-Fi. Speed of the printer runs with 155mm/s. Filament, resolution, and temperature sensor. The filament of this printer is 1.75mm, and one extruder comes with it. The weight of the printer is 4.0 lbs. You will get a 50-micron laser resolution and an inbuilt heat sensor. So, don't worry about the printing continuation for the long term. Don't forget to check it out. Delta 3D Printer Review.